Hi, I'm Malik, this is first tutorial and song Love Yourself. Chords: E, D sharp minor, C sharp minor, and this is F sharp minor, E, and D sharp minor. So and all time, the only time that you rain in my parade. Da 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 da, da 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 da, da 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 da. I didn't run a right song, cause I did when you were thinking. I still did my dawn, but you still steal my phone up. And baby, I'll be moving on next time. And pre-chorus: C sharp minor, A, E, and B. My mama don't like you, and she likes everyone. And I never like to admit I was wrong. Again, da 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 da, and B, da da da, and just B, da 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 da, and chorus: E, B, C, A, E, A, E, and E, B, C sharp minor, A, E, A, E, and fingerpicking. Fifth, third, and second string, and next time just second string, and mute. So. And pre-chorus. Again, very slow. Again. And chorus. My mama don't like you and she likes everyone. And I never like to admit I was wrong. Da 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 da. And next time, da-da-da-da, I'm better sleeping on my own. Cause if you like the way you look so much, boy, baby, you should gonna love yourself. This chorus, yeah. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should gonna love yourself. And it's all. And it's all. Thank you for watching. Please like or dislike as you wish, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. Good luck. Okay.